So we are going to start with some warm up, and today we're going to do a little bit of shooting as well as a little bit of just a little bit of dribbling as well, and we'll end with some dance. Let's see if we have time for that. Can we take peanut butter in the morning with milk? Yeah, you can have peanut butter whenever you want. Okay, so we're gonna start with normal crossover. Just gonna move your body with it. Keep the momentum on. Okay, let's keep it up. Keep moving your body with the ball. Wherever the ball goes, your body is gonna move with it. Okay, try to keep your feet very light. Be very light on your feet. Don't be so harsh and don't be so stiff. Okay, so move with the ball. Move with the ball. Okay, now go wider. Go wider. Let's go. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, now faster, faster, fast. Let's go, let's go, let's go, fast, fast, fast. Okay? Okay. Is everybody doing it with me? Pranay, are you doing it with me? Okay. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna do wide, okay, then slowly come closer, narrower, narrower, and then we're gonna end with fast crossover, okay? So it's gonna be in one set. Okay, let's go. So we're gonna be wide and slow, but move your body with it. Move your body with it. Let's go. Okay, beautiful. Okay, now narrow, narrower, narrower, narrower. Let's go. Move your body, move your body. Narrow, narrow. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Narrow. Oh. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. See, even I make mistakes. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Perfect, let's go. Okay, good job, guys. Now just to practice and reverse what we did last time, we're just gonna do the normal one hand, one leg, one dribble between the legs, one leg between the legs, one dribble in between, one dribble between. Let's go. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, now direct between the legs. Let's go, let's go. Okay, come on, let's go, guys. Divya, please do it. I'm damn good in it. Okay, beautiful. Keep doing it, keep doing it. Okay. Okay, let's go. See, everybody can make mistakes, so can I. Okay, let's go. Okay, same thing between the legs, same thing between the legs. Try to look forward, you're not going to look at the ball. If it's going away, it's okay, but keep looking at the wall in front of you, okay? So in my situation, I'm looking at the phone. Okay, now we're just going to do a jump between the legs. So we're going to jump between the legs, jump between the legs, jump between the legs, jump, 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 jump. So in this case, when we switch, okay, Pranay, just do it for like 30 to 40 seconds. So in this, when we take a step, when we split both of our feet, you're gonna do this. But when you get them back, you're gonna jump. Okay? So jump, jump, jump. Okay? So jump back, back. Okay? Ritik, yeah, Kyrie Irving and issue, overtime issue. Okay, yeah, obviously because these are the basics, and you guys, and you have to keep doing these basics, or else you'll forget how to play basketball. Okay, let's go. So now we're gonna do normal behind the back, normal behind the back. Okay, and we're gonna try going wide. We're gonna try going wide. Okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's do it for 30 seconds. Beautiful, beautiful. Pranay, how about you do this? Do this other than asking the questions. Let's go, let's go. We have a lot of viewers today. I hope you all are doing it with me. Okay, so now we're gonna head to doing it with one hand. Okay, so you're gonna do it. You're gonna take one dribble and between the legs. One dribble between the legs. So what you're doing is, instead of doing it with the right hand, you're gonna do it with the only one hand basically. So you're gonna take it on the other side and then get it on the same side. So boom, 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 boom. Okay? Boom, 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 boom. Okay? Beautiful, beautiful. Let's go, guys. Same thing again. Same thing. Boom, boom. I'm stronger with my left hand, which is really weird, but because I am righty, and my mom keeps yelling at me saying, "Go to the right side. Go to the right side. Go to the right side." But I never do that. Okay, let's go. Same thing again. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, okay, now we're going to do all of those three things together. Okay, so we're going to take one crossover between the legs, behind the back. Crossover between the legs, behind the back. Crossover between the legs, behind the back. Okay, so basically first is going to be a crossover. Gopal, it's okay, yeah. Neighbors are supposed to do that. Neighbors are always mad at each other. Ayush Purbi 30. I am going to show you a couple of drills which will make your shooting better, just staying at home. You don't have to go to the court or anything. Just in about 5 to 10 minutes, I'm going to be showing you those drills, okay? Okay, let's go. So, same thing, crossover between the legs, behind the back. But move your body with it, move your body with it. Okay? Let's go. So, crossover between the legs, behind the back. Crossover between the legs, behind the back. Crossover between the legs, behind the back. Move your feet, move your knees. Keep your core engaged and move your knees also. So when you're taking it between the legs, try to move your knees and your ankles. Okay? So crossover between the legs, behind the back. Crossover between the legs, behind the back. Okay, Dipali S. Raut, I will just DM me, I'll show you the couple of exercises to improve between the legs. Okay, now just have a sip of water and we're going to do a little bit of shooting. I'm going to show you an exercise which you can do at home. You can sit down, you can do shadow practice. You don't need a basketball to do this, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so take a stool, okay, sit on it. Doesn't matter how big the stool is, how high the stool is, how low the stool is. You can sit on the floor, that doesn't matter. And now sit all the way back, keep your feet apart. Imagine that there's a ring in front of you and you're just gonna shoot, okay, and the ball has to come back to you. So there's a fan in my house, so I don't want to take it because my parents will kill me. Okay, so keep your feet apart, shoulder width apart, not like this, not like that. Okay, and you're going to shoot and the ball is going to come back to you. Okay, I can't shoot it very high because there's a ceiling, but I'm just going to show you. Okay, so shoot and the ball should come back to you. Shoot, ball ball should come back to you. Okay, keep doing this for at least 100 times. You don't have a ring, it's okay. Do it 500 times. Doesn't matter. As long as you keep doing this, your shooting style will improve. Okay. And try to fix a point on the floor. The ball should always fall on that floor, on that point. Okay. So imagine there's a ring in front of you. Ritik, you're definitely gonna need a water bottle after because for the exercise after this, I'm gonna take it with the water bottle. But it's okay. You can imagine a water bottle in front of you. Okay. So, did you guys get this exercise? It's extremely important to do this because you don't need a court or anything of that sort. If you don't have a basketball, that's okay. Sit. Imagine that there's a ring in front of you. Imagine there's a ball in your hands. Okay. Just practice your flick. Practice your flick. And imagine that the ball is falling on the floor and coming back to you. Coming back to you. Coming back to you. Okay, so the common mistakes that we as players do is that whenever we shoot, we think that the flick goes only when all of our fingers are going down. Okay, so that's not the case. So there are three types of shooting, which is one is the index finger shooting, the second one is both these fingers, and the third is middle finger, basically. Okay, so as long as your the finger that you're shooting with goes down, that's okay. Your other fingers don't really matter. Okay, so as long as the finger shooting is going down, so if I'm shooting with my index finger is going down, that's okay. So I don't need my other three fingers to go down as well. So that's a common mistake we as players do. Okay, so keep that in mind, and I'm going to show you this drill one more time. Okay, so same thing, keep your feet apart, shoulder width apart. Not too narrow, not too wide. Okay? And you're gonna shoot. And the ball should fall down and come back to you. Make sure that happens when the ball is going down. I'm not shooting too high because there's ceiling. Okay? Okay, beautiful. Okay, now there's another drill which I can show you. But since everybody has walls in their houses, right? So you're just gonna sit down, keep your feet straight, and same thing. Imagine there's a wall in front of you. Shoot and catch. Shoot and catch. Make sure the ball falls in between your legs. So make this as an aim. So shoot. Okay, shoot. I'm only not able to do it. Okay, beautiful. So shoot. And it should fall in between your feet, okay? Perfect. Okay, root underscore 47.61. You just have to work on your lower body and your upper body. That doesn't happen with just shooting. You have to work on your strength as well. Okay, now sip of water and we are going to do some cone dribbling, okay? Okay, let's go. So keep a cone or a bottle or anything that stands in between your legs, and you're just gonna dribble on both sides. Okay, I hope everybody can see. So dribble, 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 dribble. Okay. Try to pound the ball. Don't keep it too loose. You're gonna hit it hard. Okay, keep it hard. Hit it hard. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing with your left hand. Okay, so basically a lot of players have one weak hand, and you're going to work on that. So if my left is weak, I'm going to work on my left more than my right. Okay. Okay, so now there's a variation in this. Okay, so you're going to take 1, 2, 3 between the legs. So 1, 2, 3 between the legs. 1, 2, 3 between the legs. 1, 2, 3 between the legs. So you're going to take 3 dribbles and do a between the legs. Okay? Beautiful, guys. You guys are doing great. Okay. Do it for 30 seconds. Do this for 30 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, between the legs. 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 Beautiful, guys. You can have a sip of water. It's okay. If you're dehydrated, please have some water. Okay. So now you're going to do the same thing, but take 4 dribbles. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave the ball and do between the legs from the opposite hand. Okay. So what you were doing before was 1, 2, 3, same hand between the legs. So what you're going to do is 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave the ball and between the legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave the ball between the legs. Did everybody get it? I don't know why I'm screaming so loudly, but yeah. Are you guys getting it? Are you guys with me right now? Give me a thumbs up. Sahil, thank you so much. Pranay, I have a doubt that you're doing it with me, but it's okay. Zadhav, Asha, beautiful guys. Thanks Pranav, Pranay. Ritik, beautiful guys. Okay, let's do this for 30 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. Okay? Are you guys enjoying so far? Are you guys with me? Okay, beautiful, beautiful. So now, okay, so what we did right now is just a 1 between the legs. Now we're going to take between the legs and crossover. But this is going to be hard, okay? Okay, good job guys. Okay, so now it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, between the legs, crossover. 1, 2, 3, 4, go, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, boom. But the between the legs and the crossover is supposed to be extremely hard, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, boom. Good job guys, good job. Really well done, yeah? Really proud. Okay, so what we did right now was take 4 dribbles. Boom, 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 boom. Take 1 between the legs and 1 crossover. So those 2 dribbles are going to be extremely hard and extremely fast. Let's do this for 30 seconds. Okay, so what we're going to do is boom, 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 pound, pound, boom, 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 pound, pound. Okay? See the difference between 2 dribbles? Yes, good job guys, good job. Okay, so this was that there are a lot of varieties in the dribble, in the cone dribble. If people don't have the equipment, that's okay. Use a water bottle or use anything that can stand, maybe a chappal or something, I don't know. Like 2 chappals together, it doesn't matter as long as it's standing. Okay, let's go now. So this is called Frogger shooting, okay? So we're gonna, this is extremely important because it's more of a match situation. So we're gonna do 3 jumps. So boom, boom, boom. Okay? Okay. And when we're doing it, we're gonna hit the ball on our thigh. Okay? So boom, boom, boom and shoot. Okay, I'm gonna do it without the basketball first, so that people without a basketball can know what it really is. So we're gonna do boom, 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 shoot. Boom, 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 shoot. Boom, 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 shoot. So this, okay. So when you're doing this, engage. Stunning Akanksha. What do you want to do on a chair? I didn't understand. Okay, so when you're doing this, imagine that you're in a game situation and you're getting the ball. Okay, so basically you're getting the ball and you're gonna shoot. So that's what it is. Basically, a Frogger shooting is a game situation. So with the basketball, I'm not going to shoot very high. So we're going to do boom, 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 shoot. Okay? So boom, 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 shoot. Okay guys, did you understand what it is? Keep your core engaged, keep your body engaged. Thank you for the thumbs up guys, beautiful. You guys are doing extremely good. Beautiful, beautiful guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, okay. So I'm going to show you this one more time without the ball. This is shadow practice. You do not need a basketball to do this. Okay? I'll show you sideways. So it's going to be boom, 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 shoot. Boom, 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 shoot. Boom, 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 shoot. Okay? So tap, tap, tap and shoot. Okay, good job guys. Let's do it for 30 seconds. So boom, 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 shoot. Boom, 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 shoot. Boom, 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 shoot. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, I cannot throw it any higher because of the ceiling, as you can see already. Good job guys, good job. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you a new step which is called the zero step. So which people and players in NBA used to use, where in FIBA it wasn't allowed. So you're just gonna like throw the ball, catch it. So we're gonna use only one leg, okay? So you're gonna catch it and land on both of your feet. So basically, why do we land on both of our feet? We land so that we can use both our feet to go whichever side we want. So for example, you do this and you land like that, okay? So this is your pivot foot. You can't move your pivot foot. So you basically have to go this side only. You can't use this leg. So for zero step, you're going to do this, land on both of your feet. Okay, you're going to do this for 10 times. Okay? I'll show you sideways. Take one step and land on both of your feet. Take one step, land on both of your feet. Okay? So imagine how far we can go with the zero step. So imagine that you're getting a ball for, see how far I could go from the defender. Imagine this is the defender. Obviously not this small, but yeah. So imagine this is the defender and she's running with me. I got the ball. How far I can go with the zero step. So this is extremely important. Okay, I hope everybody got to know what a zero step is. Guys, please use this in your daily workouts, whatever you do in the morning, evening. Use this, practice this, because this is extremely important. And literally, it's very you can do it in any games. And if you do this, you're gonna be beating your defender much faster than what you were before. Okay. Did everybody get to know what a zero step is? I'm sure most of you know, but I wanted more people to know. That's why I am showing you this step basically. Okay, so now we come to the last part of the session. So at home, just okay. So without a basketball, you don't need it. So we're going to roll the ball. Imagine there's a ball in front of you. Roll the ball. Do the zero step and shoot. So roll, zero step and shoot. Roll the ball, zero step and shoot. So we are adding the shot after it. Limba. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name very wrongly, but yeah. Okay, I'll show you the zero step once more. Okay, I'm going to do it sideways. So roll the ball, one, land on both of your feet. Land on both of your feet. So when you land on both of your feet, you can go anywhere. You can choose which pivot you want and you can go both sides. So your options, begin to open. Okay guys, I hope you understood this. So the last one is roll the ball, 0 step and shoot. Roll the ball, 0 step and shoot. Roll the ball, 0 step and shoot. Beautiful guys, this was the end of rock and roll. So I hope you guys liked the 3 sessions that I did.